So I'm always getting asked, how do I dodge and burn my photos? And I tell them I dodge and burn through Lightroom. Not really, but we'll go into the way that I do it. What's up, everybody? My name is Amauris Hernandez. If you're new here, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Well, at least we just like the video at the beginning, right? Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell button. And yeah, let's get this video started. So I'm always getting asked, how do you dodge and burn? And I'm gonna walk you through it. So here's a photo that I actually posted on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? It's in the description below. Click on that link. Go to Instagram, hit that follow, and like all my photos. Well, the ones you like. So here's a photo that I posted on Instagram. I got a good reaction, especially when it came to the color grading. This photo. Oh, wait. Okay. This photo. I dodge and burned it, but let me take you through my steps. All right, let's reset the dodge and burn. Let's get started. So burn right here, you want to take a good look at it. Nothing major, just -1. We're just darkening the shadows in the dark areas. So let's start with her face, the main point of interest here. Oh, pretty much is the leaf, but let's just say her face. If you want to see what we're doing, just click on here, show, select the mask overlay. You can work with it on, but for my case, I like to work with it off, and then I just turn it on if I want to see what I'm doing. You can hit the backspace as well above the enter button, return key, to see the process. That's before, and right now it's after. Here's what you see with the overlay on. Do a little bit of hair. You can do the background as well. Like, don't be afraid to dig into your photos. But for this case, I'm not gonna do that. The more you stroke the brush, the darker it'll be, if you do not know that already. Here, I just want to get any shadow lines that I see. You know, it's pretty simple when you start on it. I know it could be intimidating when you first start out, as I know it was for me. But yeah, I usually do my dodge and burns in Lightroom, just because I always bring it out here and export here. But for my color grading, I usually, depending on what I feel, it'll be in Photoshop or in Lightroom. But for fall sessions, I'll go into that a bit. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me see. I want to get those shadows in the face, the eyebrows, make them, make her face pop out more. Do the lips as well, just to give that little, the little lump or plump, lip plumps, whatever you want to call them, Kylie Jenner style, whatever smooths your boat. Oh, right here, this little, damn, what's it called? Smirk? I forgot what it's called. There was a specific name for it. But yeah, I think I'm done. There's some shadows here. Yeah, I think that's good. All right, new. Let's go to dodge. Same thing, just the opposite. It's positive instead of negative. What you want to do is, bring that back. You want to make the highlights of the photo pop out, but you don't want to do too much. Well, you can just do your tastings, but you don't. In my case, I don't want to do too much. And hit the face, kind of like a makeup. A little bit of hair. I don't want to go too deep into it. Like, just with the color grade alone, this photo looks good. But you want to get more pop out of the photo. See, with white, I don't go crazy on it, just do like one stroke of a brush and I just is needed. Now, so you're probably asking, dude, you're going over the shadows and stuff like that. I mean, the burns area. And that's okay, because my focus, hold on, because it's not strong strokes of the brush. Let's see what else. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, now for one more. In this case, her eyes are visible, brown eyes. She has darker eyes than the lighter ones. Look at that sharpness. So what I usually do when I'm taking my time, but for this case, I'll show you real quick. I just, brush it in. I should probably see from other photographers. You don't want to make it too much where it just takes out the contrast and the darks and shadows from it. I think that works. Let's see, done. Fit. Before, after. Before and after. Before and after. Now, as you read from the title, I'm including 2 free presets for Lightroom, and I'm gonna show you what they are. This is the plain photo, like you saw from the beginning. One is all autumn leaf, which is not bad. You gotta adjust it to your tasting for your photo, and the other one's called autumn red. You see it right here. Here's too much red for this photo, because I use this for, I mix between those 2 presets for my family sessions that I did for the autumn sale, and you just adjust it. Go into your colors. There's too much red, bring it down. That's it. Doesn't have to do nothing major. All right, let's reset it again. That's for the red. Now autumn leaf. In this case, it's good. In some photos, you probably get it like this, where you just adjust the saturation, or the hues, or the luminance of that color that's taking too much, that's taking over by a lot. You know what? Let me just duplicate this. I'll create a virtual copy. Wait, no. Bring that back. There you go. So you have 2 presets that you can work off with for free, from me to you. It's technically still autumn, so it ends autumn. This ends December 21st. I googled it, so I know. Yeah, some places still have leaves on the trees, some don't. In my location, it's like a mix of both. But yeah, I'm gonna take you through my main color, which is this one right here. This one. Let's bring the virtual copy. I'm gonna take you step by step in Photoshop. So here's my action right here, autumn vibes. I'm including that, not as free, that one you gotta buy if you want to, as an action in Photoshop. But I'm gonna show you the process on how to go from this to this, where it's adjusted better. It's not that bad, but you're not gonna get this folder, you're gonna get it. You know what? Let me delete it. Straight from scratch. Click on that. Play, just in case you don't know how to run an action. That's your run an action. You click on it. Oh, first let me show you how to import it. You see this little bar right here, 4 bars? Click on that. load action. Or depending where you bought it and where you set the location to it to download to, load, just look for download folder on your desktop, bring it there, and it'll pop in this area right here. Probably it'll be most likely under the folder, so just click on the folder. The folder won't run, you have to open the folder, click on that action, run. I took off the steps. You want to see the steps, just click on there and it'll take you step by steps on what I did. You can see on the process what I did. But for this case, I'm not gonna do that. Now you're looking at it, you're like, okay, it's too golden, which is not a bad thing. So what you want to do is hit the brush, hit the backslash, and color in. In this case, I love the color of the clothing, so my main focus is her skin, and I'm gonna say her hair as well, even though it looks good. But as you saw in the before photo, it's like a silver white. So just to respect that, we're gonna leave it her skin. All right, and right here, where you see the gold, it's the same thing. Let's color that out. And there we go. You can see, let me just save it real quick. I did use Gaussian blur for her skin and, you know, some frequency separation. As you can see, compared to what you saw before, it was more smooth out. But here, if you don't know how to do that, let me know and I'll do another video for it. How to do in Lightroom. It's more of a pain in the ass, but it's doable. So yeah, there's that. Let's hit save. Oh, I didn't open it straight from Lightroom, but yeah, this will be your final with the Gaussian blur, you know, frequency separation to make it look pop out more better than what it is. You get that. So definitely check that out if this is the something color grading that you would like to know, and just click on the step by steps and learn the process. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if it was informative and you are a Lightroom user and this is something you can use. Go for it. Let me know, tag me in your photos on Instagram if you use my presets, or if you use my action, let me know. I'll be glad to check them out, show them some love, and share them to my stories. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment below any question you may have, and yeah, peace.